when I first got referred to see Dr. Cohen, I had numbness all in the left side of my body. And so at first they were thinking it was a stroke. So they did MRIs, they did x-rays, and I had a friend who had doctors for everything, and so I figured she'd have a chiropractor because I was thinking it might be a pinch nerve. So she referred me to Dr. Cohen because she said she was really good, and then she actually said she had a similar personality to my friend, and so she thought I'd be really comfortable with her up front, so I went to her. I've been going to her for like a year and a half, over a year and a half now. So the benefit of seeing her is I can actually feel the left side of my body now. But another really big benefit was I didn't realize how tense my body always was until she started treating me. And so now I'm more sensitive to what my body feels and how it hurts and how it doesn't hurt. And I know if I've had a stressful week because you feel the tension, I know it's time to go back. So it's just, there's more awareness about my body now. I like going to Dr. Cohen because I like Dr. Cohen. I mean, that's a big part of it, right? She makes you want to come back. And not only that, but makes your body feel better, right? So there is a lot of trust. I know she won't recommend anything that I didn't need, or everything's really up to you when it comes to her treatment. She'll suggest things and go, you really should get some insoles, or you really should get a mouth guard. Well, you know what, I haven't gotten the mouth guard, but I have the insoles, so that's okay. I do walk better now. Usually when I travel, I hate walking, because my feet end up hurting or my hips start hurting and whatnot, but ever since I started using those, I don't get pain when I walk, so it makes me able to go further when I travel, which I never knew before. You never think of things like that. So I see her at least once a week, actually, for maintenance. So way back when I came in for the numbness and the tingling, I was coming twice a week because it was that severe. And then after a while, I was able to go just once a week. And honestly, I probably could have stopped, but it's really maintenance of your body, right? So it's not enough just to fix what's wrong, but you have to keep it from happening again. So you have to maintain like a level of wellness. So another benefit to seeing Dr. Cohen, so I started working out around the same time I was having my issues, just because it makes you think, I got to do something different with what I'm doing. And so every week, she holds me accountable by asking me, what are you doing tonight? Are you doing Zumba? Are you doing spin? Are you doing whatever? And then the next week, she'll ask me, oh, how was Zumba? How's this? And sometimes I might have to go, you know what? Maybe I didn't do it, or maybe I did, but at least she holds me accountable, and you really can't get that in many places. What's important for future moms to see Dr. Cohen, because if you're trying to have a kid, any little bit helps, because it's so hard as it is. So recently we started going into that, and now I'm educated as to what additional things can be done as far as in chiropractic to treat fertility. Like I know the whole L1 through L5 thing, so who knows that? People who go to chiropractic.